Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Here are 15 classic motorcycles for sale across the United States, featuring a mix of rare and timeless machines. Number 1. 1955 Harley-Davidson Hummer, $8,500, Kokomo, Indiana. The 1955 Harley-Davidson Hummer is a lightweight and collectible classic, known for its simple engineering and historical place within Harley's early lineup. Powered by a 165cc engine, it offers a unique riding experience compared to the brand's larger models, while still carrying unmistakable Harley-Davidson character and charm. This example is described as very clean, with only 4 miles since a full rebuild, making it essentially fresh mechanically. Its condition and rarity make it especially appealing to collectors looking for a well-preserved, small-displacement Harley. With trade options available, it presents a unique opportunity to own a distinctive piece of vintage Harley history. Number 2. 1978 Honda CB750K, $6,000, Lancaster, Pennsylvania. The 1978 Honda CB750K is an iconic model often credited with shaping the modern superbike era, and this example has been tastefully transformed into a custom cafe racer. The bike features a fully rebuilt engine along with performance upgrades such as a Kirker exhaust and pod filters, enhancing both power delivery and sound. Visually, it stands out with a ceramic-coated black tank finished in mocha flakes, a custom tough-side seat, and modern touches like LED lighting and a B-line GPS speedometer. With its blend of classic design and updated features, this CB750K offers strong performance and show-worthy presence, making it a true attention grabber. Number 3. 1970 Triumph TR6R Tiger 650, $6,500, Plainville, Connecticut. The 1970 Triumph TR6R Tiger 650 is a classic British twin that captures the essence of Triumph's golden era. This particular example is especially notable as a one-owner, original, and unrestored motorcycle, preserving its authentic condition over the decades. It has been garage-kept since new and is described as running and riding well, reflecting careful long-term ownership. Accompanied by its original title and registration, it has also earned multiple trophies, highlighting its well-preserved state. This TR6R stands as a true time capsule for collectors who value originality and history. Number 4. 1983 Suzuki GS, $2,500, Aberdeen, North Carolina. The 1983 Suzuki GS is a dependable and versatile classic, known for its smooth engine performance and straightforward design. This example has just over 20,000 miles and is described as both fun to ride and visually appealing, making it a great option for casual riding or weekend cruising. It comes equipped with relatively new tires with less than 1,000 miles, adding to its road-ready condition. With its affordable price and easy ownership experience, this GS is a solid entry point into vintage Japanese motorcycles for riders of all experience levels. Number 5. 1976 Moto Guzzi T3 850, $4,000, Murfreesboro, Tennessee. The 1976 Moto Guzzi T3 850 is a well-regarded Italian classic known for its robust V-twin engine and shaft drive system. This example runs well and has been styled as a cafe racer, giving it a more aggressive look while maintaining its original mechanical character. With nearly 34,000 miles, it has demonstrated reliability and remains a fun and engaging bike to ride. The T3 platform is respected for its durability and unique feel on the road. With the seller open to trades, this listing offers a flexible opportunity to own a distinctive vintage Moto Guzzi. Number 6. 1983 Yamaha XS650 Heritage Special, $2,500, Julian, North Carolina. The 1983 Yamaha XS650 Heritage Special is a well-loved classic twin, known for its reliability and strong aftermarket support. This example has undergone a down-to-frame restoration, with many parts replaced along the way, helping bring it back to solid running condition. It features both electric and kickstart and is described as starting easily and running well. Included with the bike is a complete set of manuals, adding extra value for maintenance and ownership. With indoor storage and a clear title, this XS650 offers a practical and well-prepared vintage riding experience. Number 7. 1967 Bultaco Metralla, $1,950, Mill Run, Pennsylvania. The 1967 Bultaco Metralla is a rare Spanish lightweight performance bike known for its racing heritage and distinctive two-stroke character. This example is described as completely original, which is increasingly difficult to find, especially in clean and straight condition. With just 593 miles believed to be accurate, it presents as a well-preserved vintage machine. The engine turns over and the tank is in good condition inside, suggesting a solid base for recommissioning. With a title included and possible original manual, this Metralla offers strong appeal for collectors of rare European bikes. Number 8. 1984 Kawasaki ZN700 LTD, $2,000, Mount Vernon, Ohio. The 1984 Kawasaki ZN700 LTD is a sport cruiser built on the proven KZ platform, combining comfort with solid performance. This example has received extensive recent maintenance, including rebuilt and synchronized carburetors, fresh fluids, new spark plugs, coils, battery, and air filter. Additional work such as a new headlight bulb, carb boots, and neutral switch further improves reliability. With nearly 35,000 miles, it has been well maintained and is ready for continued use. Offered with a clear title, this ZN700 LTD is a dependable and affordable classic cruiser. Number 9. 1985 BMW R65, $2,000, Chickasha, Pennsylvania. The 1985 BMW R65 is a compact and smooth boxer twin, appreciated for its balance and easy handling. This example is described as a beautiful bike with clean carburetors, suggesting a good mechanical starting point. It does require a battery to be fully operational, but otherwise presents as a straightforward and manageable project. With the seller open to trades, this R65 offers an affordable opportunity to own a classic BMW with strong potential for regular riding. Number 10. 1956 Zundap Bella R201, $3,200, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. The 1956 Zundap Bella R201 is a vintage German scooter known for its unique styling and solid engineering. Powered by a 200cc engine with a 4-speed transmission, it offers a smooth and distinctive riding experience that stands out among classic scooters. This example is running, stopping properly, and comes with a clean title, making it ready to enjoy. Described as a true head-turner, it combines practicality with vintage charm. For those seeking something different from typical motorcycles, this Zundap provides a unique and character-rich option. Number 11. 1986 Suzuki Intruder 700, $1,500, Springfield, Virginia. The 1986 Suzuki Intruder 700 is an early example of Suzuki's cruiser lineup, known for its V-twin engine and comfortable riding position. This bike stands out with just 2,664 original miles, making it a low-mileage survivor with strong potential. Recent updates include a newly lined fuel tank and a new battery. The engine turns over, but it will need carburetor rebuilding to run and idle properly. With a clear title and a reasonable price, this Intruder offers a good opportunity for a straightforward project with solid upside. Number 12. 1973 Norton Commando 750, $6,800, Caldwell, New Jersey. The 1973 Norton Commando 750 is one of the most iconic British motorcycles, known for its strong performance and distinctive design. This example shows around 22,000 miles and is described as being in great physical condition, making it an appealing candidate for revival. Having been parked for the past few years, it will require some basic recommissioning before returning to regular use. With a title included and a solid overall presentation, this Commando offers a great foundation for anyone looking to own a legendary British twin. Number 13. 1966 Honda CA160, $3,500, Clarksburg, West Virginia. The 1966 Honda CA160 is a classic small displacement twin that reflects Honda's early reputation for reliability and smooth performance. This example is described as all original, which adds to its appeal among collectors seeking authenticity. It runs well and presents nicely, combining usability with vintage charm. With a title included and its clean condition, this CA160 is a great option for those looking for a simple and enjoyable classic Honda. Number 14. 1976 Harley-Davidson Super Glide Shovelhead, $7,800, Hamilton, Ohio. The 1976 Harley-Davidson Super Glide Shovelhead is a classic American cruiser with strong custom potential and proven performance. This example features an upgraded 80-inch top end with S&S components, along with performance cams and an updated oil system. Additional features include a belt drive setup, polished covers, fresh tires, and upgraded brakes. While it has a minor transmission leak, typical of bikes from this era, it is described as running and riding very well. With a clean title and solid upgrades, this Super Glide is a strong and usable vintage Harley. Number 15. 1972 Honda CT/CL70 Custom, $950, Fairfax Station, Virginia. This 1972 Honda CT/CL70 custom build is a unique small displacement project combining multiple Honda components into one functional bike. It features a rebuilt engine with a 95cc kit, upgraded cam, port work, and a Mikuni carburetor, making it more powerful than a standard setup. The bike runs well and has been used casually, but it does not come with a title, only a bill of sale. With its mix of parts and strong engine build, it offers good value for someone looking for a fun and affordable custom mini bike. Thanks for watching Moto Market Explorer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check back daily for more classic motorcycle listings across the United States.